Hi, I'm Delandis and welcome back to my channel. I want to share with you guys my 5 favorite burlesque poses. Posing is very important. You don't always have to move to look beautiful. So I love to sit into a nice little pose. So I want to show you guys some of my favorite poses. The first pose that I love to do is to sit into that bevel, extend one arm up, use those eyes, the eyes should always speak, and just hold it. My second favorite pose is sitting into that hip, extending one leg. You can also sit into the other leg as well, but this is my good side. I love this side here. Extending one arm, looking slightly over those fingertips, and then you look back. Now, this is really one of my favorites. I always joke about this. It's kind of like a Dreamgirls reference. I always tell my friends I will always be in the center with both arms. They will either be here or there, but this is the one that makes you feel like a star. Here or here. All poses don't have to be standing. You can also give me different levels. So I'm going to give you guys a little pose I like to hit here as well. Bringing those legs together, looking forward. If you want to add a little arm, whatever you want to do, very simple. Yes. Now, this pose brings me to my last and my final favorite pose of the day. You can roll all the way up, arching that back, pulling that left leg forward, or whatever leg you're on, and extending, looking forward. Let those arms water down. So listen, poses can be fun. There is no right or wrong answer. You just have to look and play around to see which one works best for you. I always tell my students, get in front of a mirror, just play with poses. See what works for you, because we're all different. Our bodies are shaped differently. Practice your poses, get in front of the mirror, because we all do it right. When no one's watching, we get in front of that mirror and we play, we pose. Ah, da, da. Hit, whatever works for you, you just play and you pose and
Here we come, here we come, I'ma see what you got for me, baby. Got for me, baby. Got for me, baby. Hey, what you got for me? I'ma see what you got. Ooh, I'ma see what you got for